Hi guys, this is Ritzy here and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a very cool Halloween nail art. But also this video is going to include a Kiara Sky haul. This video is not sponsored by this brand or any brand. If I use different products from other brands, because I'm sure I'm going to. This is my first time buying anything from Kiara Sky. So the special thing about this is that I'm going to try for the first time the jelly tips, and I bought not only clear ones but also two colors. If you want to see first this haul and then the nail art tutorial, you can continue watch, or if you want to skip to the nail art tutorial, you can go ahead and skip to this minute in here. So thank you for watching and let's start with the haul. Okay guys, this is very nice. I'm already seeing that everything is pink. This is very cute. So let's open this. Oh, okay, I broke it, but it's difficult to open it without breaking it. Okay, so yeah, this is so cute. Of course, all of this is to protect this. Oh, these are hearts. You can see these are in heart shape. So let's start with the fun stuff. I see some color in here and I'm very excited about this color. This is blooming, and I wanted this because I thought that this was like the perfect light pink for cherry blossom tutorial or something like that. And now that I have it in my hands, I love it. This is way cuter than I thought. It's very smooth. I hope that you can see. Oh my gosh, I'm very excited. I was very nervous to buy this one in particular. This is in color vanilla and I wanted like a very natural looking, so I can make some baby boomer nails or stuff like that with my nails looking like natural. And this is perfect. Now that I have this in real life, this looks like skin tone. Like, I hope that you can see the color. I can see that this is going to be perfect for that. But yeah, let's continue this, or this is going to take a lot of time. Okay, I'm seeing a box. Oh, I know exactly what is in this box. This one is the builder gel, because I bought a promotion that you buy two colors and they give you the builder gel as free, and this one should be the rub on. Yeah, this is the rub on. This is for these powders in here. This is the glass one, and this looks like a very pearly one. This is if you want to make the glazed donut nails, or you know, something like that. Oh my gosh. Okay, something is leaking because you can see my hands. They already look glazed. The other one is the Mermaid. And this looks exactly the same. Like, just from the top, the both of them look exactly the same. But this is the Mermaid. And this should be very nice. Like a purplish turquoise tone. I think that the one that I have in my hands is actually this one. Okay, here is the applicator, because I also bought another promotion that if you can buy these three together, the glass, the applicator, and this one, and all of them have discounts if you buy them together. And here we have the traditional ones that are clear, also in square short. Everything is square short. Dun, 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 dun. I don't want to touch them because I'm glazed, but okay, they have a little bit of smell. This smells like top coat, but they're very clear, and I think that the size is perfect. So let me clean my hands and move all this from here to another place, and I'll show you the colors and the clear ones and all of that. Hi guys, I'm back. I washed my hands and cleaned the area. Now here I have the clear ones. I think that for this nail tutorial that I'm going to be doing, I think that I'm going to be using this one. Let me open this and I'll show you how they look. Okay guys, so I opened this, and first of all I want to tell you that these are more expensive than these ones, the clear ones. So I think that because of the colors, oh my gosh, I think that it's going to look very nice on my skin tone. I think that it's going to look very nice. A very light pink, but it's not bright. It's very nice. It's very nicely done. So let's do the part that I was very excited about this, to see how it looks with my natural skin tone. It's perfect. It's perfect. This is going to look so natural. And you can see that this is translucent. You can see my nail design in the bottom part. Here you can see, this is the design and you can see it. And that is on purpose. So when you cure this, they actually cure. I'm going to make a tutorial, I promise, with both colors. I'm going to make a lot of nail tutorials with both colors, but I'm going to specify that I'm using these colors and the Kiara Sky Gelly tips, I promise. But I want you to see. Here, you can see the tones. These are gorgeous. These are very, very gorgeous. I'm so excited, guys. I can't wait to try them on. And yeah, I think that you are actually watching the true colors. So, let's continue with the Halloween nail art with these ones. And I'm sure that I'm going to use the Mermaid powder. So here you can see my nails, and I made them 3 weeks ago, more or less. And you can see that they have grown quite a bit. So let's start removing the gel polish. I'm going to start cutting the tips of the nails. And now I'm going to file my nails, but only the gel polish. Never, never, never file your natural nails. And then I'm going to soak each nail with a cotton pad and some nail remover for about between 10 and 15 minutes. I'm going to use this cuticle remover or scraper to remove the gel that already softened, so I'm not going to damage my nail at all.
One eternity later.
I'm going to put the cottons over my nails again for around 5 more minutes, so I make sure that all the gel polish is removed from my nail.
2,000 years later.
Now I'm going to use this cuticle remover to soften my cuticles and remove them.
A few moments later.
Now I'm going to choose the sizes of the gel tips that I'm going to be using. These are short square, and the most important thing is that you have to make sure that they fit you perfectly, each nail, side to side. And if you are between sizes, that one is a little smaller and the other one is bigger, always go for the bigger one and just file the sides so it fits you perfect. But this is, I think, that the most important thing. Now you have to file the inner part of the gel tips, and only in the part that is going to be touching your natural nail. You're going to add first pH bond to your nail. Then you have to add the primer. And then just a very thin layer of the builder gel that you're going to use to add the jelly tips over your nails. And then you add the gel builder in the inner part of the gel tip and put it over your nails, always starting like the pressure in the upper part where is your cuticle without touching your cuticle, and then going a little bit lower slowly so you make sure that there are no bubbles. If there is at least one bubble, don't cure it. Remove everything and try it again. Make sure that they are straight and then cure it in the fast curing lamp for 10 seconds, and when you finish all your set of gel tips, cure them in your professional lamp 30 to 60 seconds. Now I'm going to file the bottom part of the gel tip and remove the shine of the jelly tip in the upper part of the jelly tip with a buffer.
A few minutes later.
Before starting the designs, I added base coat, but now I know that you don't have to do this because these are gel tips, so you can skip this part. Now I'm going to start the designs. First, painting 3 of my nails with this medium purple. The ring nail with this lilac. And my thumbnail with dark purple. Now I'm going to add a non-wipe top coat over 2 of my nails. Remember to cure everything after each application. Color, design, everything you have to be curing your nail. So once this is cured for 30 seconds, I'm going to rub on this Mermaid powder that I haven't used before. I actually protect the area because this is very messy, and the only thing that you have to do is you grab some quantity with your applicator and just rub it over the nail, and then just add some more non-wipe top coat with another brush. For my other 2 nails, I'm going to use this shimmery gel polish. In the ring finger, just 1 coat, and in the middle finger, 2 coats. And in my thumb, I'm going to add this very fantastic shimmer, kind of fuchsia color. I really love it. So I'm going to also add 2 coats of this one. For the spider web design, I'm going to be using gel painting in black and a very thin brush. For the spider design and the bat design, I'm going to make a kind of difuminated contour with just regular black polish. For the spider, I'm going to paste them with this gel, and I'm going to grab 2 stones and difuminate a little bit Texas gel so this looks smooth. And draw the spider legs also with my black gel painting and the very thin brush. I'm going to add a little bit of shimmering with this fuchsia tone in the corners, and I'm adding 2 drops of base gel polish over the stones. This makes sure that the stones are not going to fall, never. For the mummy design, I'm going to use another gel painting white, and this time I'm going to be using a little bit thicker brush. For the back, I'm going to draw it also with the gel painting in black. I think that it would look a little better maybe with just a regular black gel polish, but this looks nice. And also at the end, I'm going to add also the shimmery fuchsia gel polish. Now for the ghost, I'm going to use regular white polish, and I'm going to be kind of difuminating the ghost. So I'm going to make 3 circles and then kind of making them look a little bit translucent. Once you finish all the designs, just add top coat all over your nails and cure them. And of course, don't forget to add some cuticle oil. And as you can see, guys, this nail art looks amazing. If you like it, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell button below. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye!